Hello, do you know the difference between litres and millilitres? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So the difference is very simple. All you need to know is litres here is a lot. It's a lot of liquid, okay? And millilitres is very small. It's not much liquid at all. So firstly, out the bat, you already know that litres are bigger in terms of a measurement than millilitres. But how much bigger? So that's what I'm here to tell you. So for every 1 litre, there is a whopping 1,000 millilitres. Okay, massive difference. So there's a lot of this in just one of these. So the question I have for you is, if I had 3 litres, how many millilitres would I have? Now remember, for every 1 litre, there's 1,000 millilitres. So what's the conversion here? I'll give you a couple of seconds. Did you get it? You got it? Yes! It's 3,000, isn't it? Okay? Because remember, it's 1,000 per litre. So this is massive compared to small, okay? So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!